Just in time, Mr. Wonkum.
Yeah.
We could
Perfect
use a
time.
nice. It feels like it's been a week since we've seen the sun.
It's been a long time.
Yeah, months it feels like.
Yeah.
It hasn't been quite that bad, but it has been rather cold. You look at it so far, the highest temperature we've had this month has been 58 degrees. That's the first time that we've not reached 60 degrees when you go back and look at all the records. Previously, the coldest we stayed was 61 degrees. That was back in 2015, then again back in 1984. Average high this time of year is supposed to be 66. We're going to go above average the next couple of days, and that's going to be kind of nice out there. Well, here's the storm that's left over. That's Ian. What's interesting to look at this satellite picture is, look at that. It almost has an eye developing. National Hurricane Center is not watching this. We're not worried about that at all, but it just shows you how unusual this storm was, not only in Florida, but even as it moved up the mid-Atlantic states and then parked itself over the top of us and gave us the gray skies that are out there. And wow, did we get some rain last night. Really seemed to be focused in southern Plymouth County. Duxbury coming in the highest total I've seen, just under 4 inches of rain. But Kingston, Plymouth, all coming right in there. And even as you go up to Weymouth, a good 2.5 inches of rain, or head down to Sandwich, over 2 inches of rain. In Boston, we picked up about 78/100ths out of it. And we're not done yet. See, you got almost 2 bands of rain that are developing right now. As you look offshore, look at all that lightning and thunder from Long Island, just south of Block Island, over towards Nantucket. This is trying to pitch its way up to the north. And that means we've got showers in the forecast this evening and maybe even another rumble of thunder. We had some of that last night as well. You'll see that we're just getting some light rain in Hyannis, a little bit of light rain in Nantucket, but it won't be long before those thunderstorms start to push their way northward. And we'll continue to track those throughout the newscast. Then up to the north, we've got this little area here right on Cape Ann, stretching over to about Marblehead toward Lynn. And this is kind of drifting its way in towards Lowell, and eventually it's going to head out towards Leominster. We've seen some lighter showers kind of here and there, but that seems to be the second band that's out there. This is light stuff. It's not causing any big issues, but evening commute with the rain probably slowing things down. So you see what's happening. It's just kind of spinning this moisture right up over the top of us. But eventually this thing is going to push this way and drag all the clouds with it and get the sunshine back in here. But it will take a little while. So this evening we've got showers out there, maybe an isolated rumble of thunder. I would say by midnight, most of it's really kind of in the eastern half of the state. And then as we head towards tomorrow morning, early risers, probably a few clouds out there. Unless you're off to the west. Clear skies means it's going to get cold, but the eastern part of the state, well, we'll have temperatures in the 50s with the clouds out there. Now, as the day goes on, that cloud cover will continue to diminish. The one place that may hold on the clouds a little bit longer, the Cape may actually stay kind of cloudy until almost sunset tomorrow night. So here's the way it breaks down then over the next 7 days. We get to enjoy some sunshine, and boy, we deserve it. Sun returns, warmer tomorrow, 70 degrees. Now on Friday, 72 and mild. There is a front that's coming through during the afternoon. It might trigger just a quick, brief shower as it comes through, but I'm not looking for really any serious rain out of that. And then, well, after that, better find the sunscreen because look at all that sunshine that's in the forecast. It's a little cool on Saturday. Sunday morning could have a little frost out there, and then we start warming it up a couple of degrees every day with lots of sunshine back into the mid-60s, pretty close to average for this time of year, and a dry forecast and sunny forecast, something we have not seen for a while. Ben and Jessica?
We've earned all that sunshine, I'll tell you that.